Are you looking forward on how to create a new Bigo Live account? Then this video is for you. This is an easy process, so let's get into the video. First of all, open your app Bigo. You can easily get this application from Play Store. Open this app. Here, if you want to create your account through Facebook or your Google account, you just need to click on this icon. But if you are willing to create your account through your phone number, you need to enter your number here. Once you enter your number, click on Next. You will be receiving one code on your phone number. You need to copy that code number and paste it here for the verification. After the verification, you need to create a password. Once you create a password, click on Sign Up. Here, you need to enter your username that you prefer. I'm gonna keep my username as Andrew. If you want to add a picture to your profile, you need to click on this icon. Click on Allow for the access to your gallery. Now click on Gallery. You need to select one picture for your profile. So I would like to keep this as my profile picture. Once the adjustment is done, click on Save. Click on Next. Now you need to enter your gender and your birth date. Once you enter your birth date, click on Confirm and click on Next. Click on Start. Your new Bigo Live account has been created successfully. If you want to see your profile, you need to click on this icon. There you go, this is your profile of your new account. Well, this is it, and this is how you create your new account for Bigo. I hope you found this video informative, and if it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on my next video.